So hello children, today we go to the second part of our video lesson on ratio and proportion. So first video lesson on exercise 7a, I have given you the basic concept of ratio and proportion. We will do later on basic concept of ratio. Okay, proportion will come in the next exercise. So there I told you that we take same kind of things, it's a fraction, unit should be same. So please see, before you see this video, try to solve whatever I have done in the first video for exercise 7a. So I'm not going to tell all of those things. So here today we are going to solve 4-5 nice problem sums on ratio. So here we start, and this is very important for you. There is class 10, the same chapter will be there with lot of detail. Okay, so in between it may come in other class after your class 7, but 10 I am very sure. 9 it is not there. And the idea of this is used in many different chapters and branches of physics, mathematics as well as chemistry. So here we start. Divide this rupees. So there were two friends, Kunal and Kirti. So they had got 3,900 rupees. So here you see Kunal may have worked more than Kirti. So he will get 15 is to 11 means if he gets 15, Kirti will get 11. So first thing over here children is very important. Sum of ratio terms. So here your understanding will be also better. Sum of ratio terms is 15 plus 11 is 26. Means if they had 26 rupees, then Kunal would have got 15 and Kirti would have got 11. So now out of this, so finally what we see, Kunal's share is here 15 over, this is the way. So out of 26 he would have got 15. So 15 by 26 into 3900. Okay, so out of total he will get 15 part out of 26. So this cancellation look hard, but it is not that hard as it is 13 stable. That's why I told you earlier also children, you must be good at tables up to 20. 13 2s are 26. Okay, 13 3s are 39. So finally 2 if you cancel, so this 26 I am writing here. So here there won't be confusion. With 2 if you do, this will become 150. Half of, when you divide with 2 it becomes half. First I divided by 13, then I did with 2. So if you see 15 15s are table is 225 and 0. Okay, so you can do multiplication 150 into 15. So I know 15 square, later on you will learn square and cube root. So 15 square is 225, 1 0 comes. So your Kunal gets rupees. So since this is in rupees, it will be rupees this. Now to get Kirti's way, there are two ways. Method 1, Kirti's share will be what total you have got minus what Kunal got. So if you subtract, I think you will get this children, 1650. Okay, now this was method 1. Method 2 I'll tell you, I'm doing here, then you can pause the video and copy, then I'll do that. So method 2, so this was one person you got, so 2 person got this. So second person is total minus what one person got. What Kunal got, Kirti would have got total minus Kunal's share. Method 2 you do like this. Kirti's share is equal to 11 by, this was 15 by 26. Kirti, I told you 11 out of 26 if you see. So 11 out of 26 into 3,900. Same way 13 2s are, 13 3s are. Again 2 you cancel, 150 rupees. 11 into 150 if you do. Okay, 15 11s is 165. So you will get Kirti will get this many rupees. So finally you write your answer anyway. Finally Kunal share, okay, Kunal gets, okay, rupees 2250 and Kirti gets 1650. You can write their share, and when you add children, always you will get 3900 total. So last you write like this, okay, their share, it is both share you can write, okay, right answer, so that when your teacher will see the answer and he will see your working, you will get good marks. So kindly pause the video, copy this side, especially this side, because I am going to do the next sum over here. So kindly pause the video and copy nicely. So next we move on to question 8, then we will do question 10. I'm doing all the even number, you try all the odd numbered sums. See, divide this many sweet between Sudha and Tanvi. There are two friends, Sudha and Tanvi, in the ratio this. So this ratio, children, so it is given 1/2:1/3. So I told you in my previous video that a ratio can be multiplied with the same thing and nothing, it remains the same because it can be cancelled, so it does not change. So find LCM of 2 and 3. If you find, children, it will be nothing is common, LCM is 6. So each term, children, you multiply by 6, and one very interesting thing you will get, this will go 3 times, 3 will go 2 times. So you see ratio is 3:2. So 1/2:1/3. So you see denominator exchanges, 3 comes here, 2 comes here when you do it. So very interesting thing, like 1/4:1/5 will become 5:4. So it reverses, reciprocal ratio. This we have in class 10. So once more we change the given ratio into simplest form. So we multiply by LCM, nothing is common, product is there, LCM, we get this. Now it's very easy, children, like before. Divide 35. So first your Sudha's share. So before that I have to do one thing, children. So please copy LCM. I have to write the sum of ratio. So here I will write sum of ratio terms is 3 + 2 5. Very important thing before I come to Sudha's share. So Sudha will get, children, 3 because this has become nothing, but this has become equal to 3:2. So 3 out of 5 Sudha will get. So out of 35, 3 out of 5 into 35. So this is how we do. Sum of the ratio, Sudha would have got 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. So 3/5, or whatever total you multiply. 350, 35, whatever, like you have seen in previous sum. 5 7s are 35. So Sudha will get 21 sweets, and then Tanvi, her friend, will get Tanvi's share. Let me write. She will get. So there are two ways I told you, children. One is total, we know 35 minus 21, 14. So this is I am doing one method, 35 minus 1 is 14. Other method is, children, what you do, you find 2 by, so this is method 2 by 5 of 35. This will go 7 times, answer will be 14. So this is method 2 and this is method 1. So either you do this or you do method 2, both will give you 14, children. So kindly pause the video and copy number 8. Then we move on to question number 10. So if you see question 10, children, question is saying divide rupees 715 between A and B and C in such a way that B gets thrice A and C gets half of what B gets. So once more, and the total is given rupees 715, 715 we get. So once more, divide this many rupees between 3 people, A, B and C. So let A gets X. Okay, so B gets 3 times A. B gets 3x. C gets half of B. So 3x by 2. So finally their ratio is this. So as I have taught you, this denominator we can remove by taking LCM. So 1 is there, LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So each term we will multiply by 2 so that we get rid of this denominator. So ultimately it becomes 2x is to 6x is to 3x. So generally x is also common, we can divide by x. Okay, so we will get 2 is to 6 is to 3. Okay, so you can cancel the x also. Okay, so multiply by 2, we get rid of the denominator and divide again by x. So as I told you, division and multiplication by anything with the ratio, it does not affect the simplest value of the ratio. So one step, children, if you see, I have multiplied and then I have divided. So finally we have to get each share. So as you know, sum of ratio terms, okay, some people call it your sum of ratio, better is sum of ratio terms. So terms word is important, which is excluded by many people. So what we get, 2 plus 6 plus 3, so it is 11. So finally if total 11 is there, A will get 2, B will get 6 and C will get 3. So this is equal to this. So A share, children, as I have done other sum, is 2 by 11 of the total 715 rupees. So see here, this is 11, it must be divisible by 11. So you can do like this, or I will show you like this also. 11 6 are 66, 11 6 are, both are same 66. I am showing you simultaneously. 5 comes, 11 5s are 55. So we get here 5. So same way, 11 6 are 66, 5 remains. So 11 5s are 55. So this rupees 130 is A share. Similarly, children, B share is 6 out of 11. 6 out of total 11. So you multiply whatever is the final total, you multiply with that. So already once we have done this to be 65, you multiply 6 into 65, you will get rupees 390. You will say, sir, how did you get it? I do 60, 65 I break into 2, 66 are 36, 360, 5 6 are 30. So anyway, you can write like this here, and you can do, you will get 390. So this multiplication I know you can do in class 7. So C share, children, is there are 2 ways. Add this to A and B and subtract from total. So there are 2 ways like I did previous sum. 715 minus this plus this, you put in bracket. So this is one method. 730 minus 130 plus 390. So this is one method. But I am showing you same logical method. 3 out of 11. So this is also logical, this is also logical. But this comes by the ratio method of 715. So this goes 65 times. 65 3s is 195. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15. So here also another method you will get 195. So here once more recapitulating, we get this, then we multiply with the common thing, LCM, we get rid of denominator, we divide by x. So we have simplified this ratio into this. We take sum of the ratio, and like before we have solved it. So let this be method 1, let this be method 2. So final thing is third person share, you have two methods. So kindly pause the video and copy. So children, we go to the last two question of this session. Question number 12 of exercise 7. You have boys is to girl in a class. You have boys and girls also. It's a co-educational school. So the ratio of boys is to girl. If 8 boys are there, there are 3 girls. Number of girls is 405. You have to find the number of boys. So definitely you see when 3 girls are there, 8 boys are there. So this is how we do. Let the number of boys be equal to 8x, then number of girls is 3x. So as per question is saying 3x is equal to 405. So x is 405 by 3. We cancel by 3. 1s are 3, 1 left, 3 3s are 9, 1 left, 3 5s are 15. So we get x is equal to 135. You can divide like this, children, also. So this, if you divide, you will get 135. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 8x. So 8 into x. If you multiply this, I think you will get 8 5s are 44, 8 3s are 24 plus 4, 8, 2 carried, 8 1s are 8 and 2, 10. So 1080 is a number of boys. Children, this sum can be done by method of proportion also. Okay. So just I am giving you hint. Next chapter we have 8 is to 3 is equal to, just I am telling you proportional method. This is to this. So boys is to girl is boys. Let the answer boys is here we have taken x is, let it be let the number of boys be x. So girls is 405. So this sum can be done in a proportion method also. Boys is to girl is boys is to girl. You solve for y. I'll teach you in the next exercise. Product of the extreme is equal to product of the mean. So what I am just telling you, this sum can be done by proportion also. In fact, this sum also. But you do as I have done here. 3x, you find 405 girls, you get x. X is a factor, not the total. Suppose somebody asks you over here, children, what is the total number of student? Total number of student will be, children, 8x plus 3x, 11x. So answer will be, total will be 11 into 135, 11x, 11 into 135, total number of children. Otherwise, add boys and girls. So girls, this you had with the boys, same thing you will get. So suppose they ask you what is the total. This is one way, directly add this boys plus girl. Or you find 11x, sum of the ratio 11x, 11 into 135. So same way now we go to the last question of this session. Reena's weight is 63 kg. So maybe she is thinking she has to lose her weight. So she reduced the weight 9 is to 8, means if she was 9 kg, she became 8. So if she is 63 kg, how much she will become? So here I'll tell you 63, you multiply by 8 by 9. One method. This is method 1. Her new weight is 63 into 8 by 9. Because if she is 9, she is becoming 8. Okay. And then again, if you wish, I can teach you by proportion method. 9 7s are 63. So 7 8s are 56 kg she becomes. With answer I'll explain now. You see, she both method we can do. She was 63, now she has 56. So if you cancel, okay, 7 9s are 7 8s are, so it is 9 by 8. So this is verification, children. This is the answer here we got, which is 9 is to 8. So once more with answer I am telling you, she was 63, she became 56 as I told you. So you divide, you see it is 9 is to 8. So if she was 9, she has become 8. One more method, if you see, we take proportion method. She is 63. Suppose presently she weighs X is 9:8. So 63 she was, what she will become when it is now 9 and she's become 8. So here product of mean is 9x, this into this, and product of extreme is this. So once you solve, x is 8 into 63, see same thing we will get by 9. 9 7s are 63, we get 56 kg as her reduced weight. Okay children, so this sum I have shown you by two methods, this both the sum. So this also you can solve like y into 3 product of mean is equal to product of extreme. This you will learn in next chapter. You come back after doing the next chapter into 405 by 3. So same thing you get, you see children here, okay, but in one step this you will get 1080. Okay, so this we will see in the next exercise. So kindly pause the video, copy everything. So I have reached up to 14. So whatever I have not done, please do them and check the answer. And I hope and pray that you will be able to do it nicely. And if you have any problem, replay the video, rewind the video, go back, pause the video, see nicely, copy it, do the solved example. And if you have missed anything of my previous lessons, so in my part 1 of the video I have told you how you can go to my playlist and get all the video lesson for class 7 which I have made for you all. Thank you children for watching this video session.